Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of My Sickly Sister Always Misses Me, chapter 5. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Mom, she and I are no longer children. We need private space. It's not appropriate to live together. Moreover, when Zhao is also busy at work, so I will disturb her when I go to the company. What do you think, Zhao Zhao? Her mother asking her. And Zhao, you must think so too, right? And Zhao's sister still remembers my original name. Looking at Wen Zhao, seems like she really wants to stay with her big sister. She must have me in her heart. Well, she really portraying her elder sister really falling in love with her, although they're not really related. Doesn't matter to me as long as my sister doesn't dislike it. Now, it was really troublesome for her. You, right now, she was really screaming. She was hoping that Wen Zhao was not accepting his condition, but it turns out he was really moved into it. Julian, Mom asked you to live with Zhao Zhao because she hoped you can help Mom take her. Zhao Zhao, she was hospitalized last month. What happened? Sick Yangtze is a sick Yangtze, and she hospitalized again after 2 years. Turns out, she having a grudge on her sister. That's why she really feel off on her. I'm too busy and tired from work. Sister, don't worry. Now, she was really soft-hearted. Or, I live near Chow Chow, right? She was asking her mother. Of course, her mother will never allow her. She want to leave her on the same house. No need to say anymore. Julian, you will move to Zhao Zhao's place next week. We'll also close your credit card for you. You will have to make the money yourself in the future. Oh, this is really tough. Julian, right now, what can she do? It's been cut off by her own mom. But this birthday might as well as be just one surprises after one another. For the birthday party that her mother is thrown for her. The birthday hall, right now, seems that place venue is really good. A lot of things and cakes and decorations are already. They're all beautiful. Well, for her, now she's wearing the nice dress. Sister, you are here. Zhao was asking her. But for Yulian, right now she seems to be calm. But for Zhao, she continued to follow her. Mom is waiting for you over there. Zhao said to her. She replied, well, probably she don't have a mood today. That's why it's been distant to Zhao Zhao. Right now, Zhao Zhao, she will still continue pursuing her, but she was continue walking around on the blanket. Well, this is not good. Seems that she was still angry on Zhao Zhao. Sure, please introduce yourself. My name is Du Wei. I heard that your sister. At odds I can help. Oh, this man. Seems that he was really interested in her. But it's not about Chow Chow. Mr. Lin, tonight is our first meeting. Don't know where you heard this news. And I hope you won't make any assumptions. Right now, Chow Chow is trying to calm herself. I haven't seen you for a few years and Su family's daughters has become more and more beautiful. Yes, Yulian, this kid has a lot of potential at first sight. Everyone seems to be praising Yulian for her beauty. Why hasn't Su Wenjiao come over yet? Well, right now, seems to be worried. Someone is teasing Yu Wenjiao right now. But she can really help it. Someone who is approaching Zhao Zhao, and she really noticed it. Well, did she really want to help her to avoid that man? Also, you need to rescue her. That man right now is being rude. Sister, help me. Yuan Zhao. She was talking to herself and asking for herself that Julian must save her. But it seems that this boy was really persistent. Sure, I know everything about yesterday's banquet. I can help you deal with your sister. Don't have to resist me like this. Well, this man, he was really persistent on shooting Wen Xiao, but right now, there's a glass of wine pouring on her head. Yeah, it was really dripping. Turns out, it is Julian. Well, she really it is. Right now, Wen Zhao is calling her elder sister. The man seems to be getting angry. She was screaming, Su Yulian, are you crazy? Well, of course, she is right now. Don't respect her little sister. That's why Yu Yulian, of course, she need to protect her. Du Wei, is your Du family treat her like this? I'm going to eliminate you and send to her. But, sister, I'm fine. Zhao said to her, "Don't argue with Mr. Du over there. What does it have to do with you? I already dislike him." Lian, how did you speak? But, right now, Mom, it's not my sister's fault. Zhao said to her mom. Of course, she wanted to protect Lian, that's why right now, tells a little bit lie. Mom, I just can't stand it. Someone teases our family. Mr. Du, would you like to ask the children to explain what happened? No need. We're leaving right now. Old man said to her mother. Well, it turns out, Du family is really at fault here. She is dragging her boy right now. Get off the party. Well, it was really troublesome, but it was really solved. Julian suddenly, hands being grabbed by Wen Zhao. Right now, Wen Zhao is calling her elder sister. The two of them still holding each other's hand. Well, this is a sign of good things. But Wen Zhao said to her, I want to dance with you tonight for the first time. Oh, she's been inviting Yulian. Right now, it seems that she was really hesitating. She was asking her, why? She can't really believe it. Wen Zhao, looking at her, she really looks happy. Well, for this girl, it seems that she was really a good person. Being dragged inside on the ballroom. Also, kept her posture, holdings Yulian's hand. Right now, Chow Chow, sister, everyone is watching. When we start now, this girl, you won't really leave her. She was always sticking to her. Right now, dance well and don't embarrass me. Well, Chow Chow said to her, it was nature for her, natural born dancer. What will happen next? Since it was getting better right now. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!